To reconcile accounts in Mint, start by logging into your Mint account and navigating to the account you want to reconcile. Reconciling accounts helps ensure accuracy and detects any discrepancies in your financial transactions. First, select the account you want to reconcile from the list of linked accounts. Click on the account name to view the account details page. On this page, you will see a button labeled Reconcile. Click on it to start the reconciliation process. Next, enter the statement date and the ending balance from your most recent bank statement. This information can be found on your paper statement or by logging into your bank's online portal. Make sure to enter the correct dates and balance to ensure accurate reconciliation. Mint will then display a list of all transactions that have occurred since the last reconciliation. Review each transaction to ensure it is accurate and complete. If you find any discrepancies, you can add or remove transactions as needed. Once you have reviewed all transactions, click the Reconcile button to complete the process. Mint will then update your account balance to reflect the reconciled balance. It is essential to reconcile your accounts regularly to ensure the accuracy of your financial data and to detect any potential errors or fraudulent activity. By following these steps, you can easily reconcile your accounts in Mint and maintain accurate financial records. Regular reconciliation helps you stay on top of your finances and makes it easier to track your spending and create a budget. Remember to reconcile your accounts monthly to ensure the accuracy of your financial data and to detect any potential issues early on.